Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I'm bringing to you Kojic Acid Facial Serum. This serum is gonna get rid of blemishes on your face. It's also gonna even out your skin tone and get rid of suntan. It's gonna brighten up your complexion in general. To start, you're gonna need some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is very good for hydration. It soothes the skin and it has gentle brightening properties. You're also gonna need some kojic acid. I would advise you get this from your pharmacy shop. Kojic acid works to get rid of dark spots and dark marks. And you're also gonna need some avocado oil. Most importantly, you're gonna need a plastic spoon. You're also gonna need a little container where you're gonna put your serum inside. Make sure it's not a metal container. Now, get a container and put 1 tablespoonful of aloe vera gel inside. And come in with a 1/4 teaspoon of kojic acid powder. Kojic acid is very strong, so you should use it in small quantities. Here, I'm making about a 2% kojic acid serum. Now, mix everything up till the kojic acid dissolves in the aloe vera gel. Now, come in with about 2 teaspoonfuls of avocado oil and mix everything up. Now, our kojic acid serum is ready. Now, transfer your serum into your little container. It's easy to spread on the skin and it doesn't feel heavy on your face. You can use it every night before you go to bed for effective results. You should use it only on the affected area. Make sure you discontinue using it after the problem goes away. Okay guys, so that is it. Let me know what you think about it. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.